Actually, he's trying to keep Manilyn from sweating over there.
Myra.
Yeah, me too. Oh, look.
I wanted to get.
He's keeping the flies. The nitty gritty is.
Huh?
Oh yeah, there is a fly. Oh my
I
goodness.
want to get a magic marker and say official fan. And
I'll work for
like
food. How about that?
No, official fan like I'm at the concert tonight.
Official fan man, aircon man,
That's it.
portable aircon man.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we got you a job, portable aircon man.
That is job.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, hon.
Hindi. Not so bueno ba?
Oh, here comes trouble.
Kainin natin mamaya.
Okay, we're getting there.
Banana cake.
Next shot, we ought to have a little food ready to look at here. Oh no, we'll do the fish before that. Fish can be halfway done and still look nice. Look at that serious look. Now she's peeling parts of fish off there. See? She is the fine tune of the cooking.
Buslutan na itong mata. Buslutan. Buslutan, darong dali maluto.
Oh, look at she's beating her. Oh my goodness, she's gonna beat her.